Good morning students. Today I am discussing about another chapter, emulsions. Emulsions is a word derived from Latin word mulgio, means milk. Milk is a one type of emulsion contain fat and butter. In milk, fat is dispersed as minute globules into water. So milk is natural example for emulsion. Emulsions are defined as biphasic liquid dosage form containing two immiscible liquids, one of which is dispersed as minute globules into another liquid and stabilized by adding a third substance called as emulsifying agent. These emulsions are thermodynamically unstable. These emulsions can be prepared for only the liquids which are having immiscible with each other. Emulsions containing two phases, internal phase and external phase. It contains two immiscible liquids. One of the liquid is dispersed as minute globules is called as internal phase or dispersed phase. The second phase is the particles which are dispersed in a minute globules. The medium is called as external phase or continuous phase. So these are dispersed particles dispersed in another medium called as external phase or continuous phase. These are the two phases present in a emulsion. Next one, types of emulsions. Emulsions can be classified into three types: macro emulsions, multiple emulsions and nano emulsions. First one is macro emulsions. These are also called as simple emulsions. There are two types: oil in water type and water in oil type. In oil in water type emulsion, oil droplets are dispersed in a continuous aqueous phase. If in case of water in oil type emulsion, water droplets are dispersed in a oil phase. This can be explained using following diagram. First one, coming to oil in water type emulsion, in which oil particles are dispersed as minute globules into another medium called as water. If in case of water in oil type emulsion, water is dispersed as minute globules into oils. So in this type of water in oil emulsion, water is dispersed phase and oil is continuous phase. Next, another type of emulsions are multiple emulsions. These are most commonly used for delay the release of active ingredient from the substance, in which contain three layers. The innermost layer contains drug. The drug can be passed from another two layers to release the drug. There are two types: water in oil and in water emulsion, or oil in water in oil emulsions. So in this in these emulsions within emulsion, in these emulsion within a emulsion, drug present in innermost phase must cross the two phases boundary to reach the external continuous phase. The multiple emulsions are transparent emulsions. These are also called as miscellaneous solutions. Squalene miscellaneous. There are transparent to eye. Globule sizes ranges from 10 to 75 micrometers. Third type of emulsions is nano emulsion. There are thermodynamically stable, transparent, having very small in size. In earlier discussed about various types of emulsion, oil in water type and water in oil type. There are various types of tests used for identification of emulsions. There are dilution test, conductivity test, dye solubility test, fluorescence test and cobalt chloride test. First, coming to dilution test. In this test, emulsion is diluted with either oil or water. Emulsions which are containing oil and water as a continuous medium. In oil and water type emulsion, oil is a dispersed medium and water is continuous phase. In this type of emulsion, you will adding water. These water evenly distributed in the oil and water type emulsion, so produces stable emulsion. If in case of oil and water type emulsion, you will add oil, These water and oil can be separated to produce unstable emulsion. At the same time, water and oil type emulsion, you will add water. These water and oil are immiscible with each other. There are produce instability. When water in oil type emulsion, you will add oil. This oil is present in continuous phase. This oil is uniformly distributed throughout the continuous pore, so produces stable emulsion. These are the clear picture about the dilution test. Second one is conductivity test. Conductivity test is mainly works on the principle of conductivity of the conductivity. So water is a good conductor of electricity. So when you will taking emulsion in a one beaker, you will add 2 electrolytes. A bulb be connected to the 2 electrolytes. When bulb can be glows, the emulsion is identified as oil in water type emulsion. The bulb does not glows, that is water in oil type emulsion. So this type of test can be indicated by only oil in water type emulsion. These oil in water type emulsion can be glows the bulb due to presence of water in a continuous phase. So water is a good conductor for electricity. Next, another test is dye solubility test. Dyes are used for indicate the type of emulsion. Dyes gives color to the emulsions. In this process, a emulsion is mixed with dyes, either water soluble dye or oil soluble dye. Based upon the dye can be added, you will differentiate the type of emulsion. Emulsion post process emulsion is added to the water soluble dye like amaranth observed under microscope. So amaranth is a water soluble phase, so water can be gives color. If in case of oil soluble dye can be added to the emulsion, example for water soluble dye Sodan 3 or scarlet red 3. So oil soluble phase can be produces color. Examples: dye test. In this process, oil in water type emulsion and water in oil type emulsion, you will adding oil soluble dye like Sodan red or scarlet red dye. So you will adding oil in water type emulsion Sodan red dye. Oil droplets are produces colors. External medium is colorless. If in case of water in oil type emulsion, oil is present in continuous phase, so droplets are colorless and external continuous phase can be gives color. Another test, fourth one is fluorescence test. Normally oils gives fluorescence under UV light. So the sample of oil emulsion is placed in microscope and observed under UV light. If in case oil globules can be fluorescence. If in case of dispersed particles can be glows. Dispersed particles can be glows. So there are oil is present in dispersed phase. If in case of continuous medium can be glows, it means fluorescence. Continuous medium can be fluorescence, that means oil is present in continuous phase, so that is water in oil type emulsion. Next, another test, cobalt chloride test. When filter paper is added to cobalt chloride, dry them to produce blue color. When this blue color solution can be dipped in a oil in water type emulsion to produce a pink color. So these are the various types of tests used for differentiate between emulsions and used for identification of which the type of emulsions. Thank you.